Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for grievances PHP web application. First open the SAM control panel. Start Apache and MySQL. And then open the Visual Studio Code. Explore the folders and then click the readme text. Here you can see the login details and then project URLs. Copy the localhost PHP myadmin and paste to the browser. Left side you can able to see the backend database tables. Click the table name, you can view the data. For window user, start the Apache and MySQL and then click the MySQL admin. It will promote you to the web browser. Then you can view the backend database tables. And then open the Visual Studio Code. Click the web and then click the JS. Here you can see the Angular JS files. And then click the file name. You can view the source code. And then click the HTML file name. You can view the HTML source code. And then click the readme text. Copy the project URL. And paste to the browser. Here we have several roles. Let's start the admin. Copy the admin login ID. And paste to the browser. And then you enter the password. Click the login button. So login successful. Here we have several models. Let's start with the category. Click the category. Here you can add the category. Enter the category name and then click the create category. It will be created. If you want to update or delete previously created categories, you can do it here. And then click add or edit department. Here you can add the department. Enter the department name and then click the create department. It will be created. If you want to update or delete previously created department, you can do it here. And then click the add or edit year. Here you can add the year and then update or delete the year. And then click the section. Here you can create the section or you can select the section. Click the create section, it will be created. If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here. And then click add user. Here you can enter all the fields for add user. Enter the name and then email ID. And then enter the password. And then enter the mobile number. And then enter the login ID. And then select the type and then select the department and then select the year and then select the section and then enter the address and city. then select the gender. Once you do that, click the submit button. So the password must be in 8 digit. It must contain one capital letter, one special character, and then numbers. So created successfully. Whatever has been created, you can see here. Here you can update the status. If you want to update anything, click the update button. Here you can update. If you want to get more information, click more. Here you can see the information. Here you can using the search options. And then click the grievance. Here you can see the all grievance report. Here you can filter the department wise, year wise, or status wise, or using the ID, or you can using the search options. Click the export button, it will be exported. And then click status. Here you can filter the year, or using the search options. Click the register button. Here you can enter all the fields for registration. Once you do that, click the submit button. Once you do that, click the submit button. It will be submitted. Next, move to the student. Copy the student login ID and then enter the login ID. Login successful. Here we have 3 models: grievance, my grievance, and my profile. Click the grievance entry. Here you can create a grievance. Select the department and then select the complaint category and then enter the grievance title. And then enter the description. Once you do that, click the submit button. It will be created. Whatever has been created, you can see here. Here you can give the rating. And then click my profile. Here you can see your profile details. If you want to edit the password, click the edit password. Here you can change your password. Next, move to the college. Enter the college login ID and then enter the password. Login successful. Here you can see the college related grievance. Then you can update the status. If you want to give a comment, you can do it here. Once you do that, click the submit button, it will be submitted. Next, move to the food. Enter the food email ID and password. Here you can see the food related grievance. And then enter the hostel ID. Here you can see the hostel related grievance. Then enter the certificate ID. Here you can see the certificate related grievance. So this is a grievance PHP web application.
Code shopping.